Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So right here I'm at the city of Toronto over here, and further down this street, these are the condominiums around the Don Valley Parkway and York Mills. So the reason why I brought you here, first let's go back in 2015-16 so you can see how demand for the condos declined here. This was the townhouse complex over here. So in 2016-17 this was torn down, and townhouses were destroyed, just removed. And what ended up happening, the builder started building the condos about 2020-2019. So he's got 1, 2, 3 towers right here. Now initially when I looked at his chart, he was supposed to have the condos on this side and on that side. That's why he bought all this land over here. If you look over here, there's a lot of land. Then you got the land on that side, and these poles this is the street right in the middle. You see 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the poles, just to go along the street. And I'll keep in mind, like I said earlier, the demand and the interest rates definitely have stalled these condo projects up. But if you look over here, a lot of them in downtown Toronto, a lot of them have started and they're finishing off. Now this one, in this case, he didn't even start his this side. So that tells you that back in 2018-19 when he started going on this project, he knew right away back then that the demand will sooner or later soften. And now with the crazy interest rates going up, and prices still being high, the rents are not going to cover the mortgage payments. And the domino effect is this: only 3 towers on this side over here and nothing on this side. So this video is a little bit different, just to tell you that some of the investors already knew 5-6 years ago that this condo game is not going to be sustainable. So the reason why I'm making this video is because just to let you know that this is a really nice part of Toronto, York Mills and DVP. So if you work 2 to 10, you're going to be downtown fairly quickly. So for you guys that are buying, further out, this is some kind of insight and heads up that if this guy here, if he cannot make money in a Don Valley Parkway in York Mills, how the heck are you guys gonna make money down in Brampton, Mississauga, whatnot? Don't get me wrong, I would rather buy at York Mills and DVP first rather than going there. But this is gonna be one of those videos exactly what's happening on the ground. Hopefully you found this interesting. Give it a like, thumbs up, and other people get to see this. And I'm gonna go for a little more round just to show you what this looks like. Okay, so I climbed up over here just so I can show you a piece of land that they purchased, because this is a nice relocation. So this is quite a bit of money over here. So it goes kind of here, and it goes down deep, and it goes all the way there. So there you can see we are talking about a pretty decent part of land, and he was supposed to have 3 towers on this side and all these 3 on that side. Now to wrap up this video, a lot of these condos that been bought up by the investors, a lot of them are leased, rented out. So as you can see, the demand for the end user is even softer than it looks. Again, hopefully you found this interesting. Like, subscribe, and take care.